Okay, this video, we're going to go through how to just make deliveries with the eCount. The first delivery I'm going to do is just very simple. It's the pump and print. We're not going to change the product code. Maybe we're delivering propane and we never change the product. We're not going to do pricing. So as a driver, I can just go back to the back of the truck. All I have to do is push one button. It's going to put it into deliver mode, reset the register, open the valves. Okay, once we're done pumping, all I have to do is hit print to end the delivery. It's going to print the ticket. So this is a standard ticket here, no pricing. Okay, for this delivery, we're going to do a little more, but as you see, I changed the printer out to an Epson slip printer. So I need to grab a ticket, slide this in. And for this one, I'm going to actually change the product code to a product code we know has pricing. So maybe the pricing is already set up. So I'm just going to hit the mode button. And the first choice is product code. So hit start stop to get in there. I'm going to arrow over and change it to product 3. I know it's a propane product with pricing. So it puts me back into deliver mode. Now I can just hit start stop again to start the delivery. When I'm done there, same thing. I can press print. So here's the printout from an Epson slip printer. Very similar. We just added obviously the pricing and tax information from that product. There is a scenario that I get asked about every once in a while. That is if we're using this register with an onboard computer, say an Android tablet or something like that, that's going to do the pricing and taxing so that it wouldn't actually be done in the register. In that case, we wouldn't have any price and tax set in here because the tablet's going to do it. So the tablet's going to just naturally choose whichever product code that is. And for this instance, let's think maybe we have 3 products. Product 1 is heating oil, product 2 is kerosene, and product 3 is gas or something like that. So the computer would go in here and choose product 1 to make a delivery for heating oil. And but let's say something happens to the tablet. The Android tablet either gets broken or stolen, but it can't make a delivery, and the driver still wants to make a delivery, deliver product throughout the day, not take the truck back to the office. One option is we just change that product code to 01. Is to do that. As a driver, I could just come back like we did on the standard pump and print delivery, and I just hit the start stop button and put it into deliver mode. And it's going to open the valves like normal, and then we can pump some fuel. So then when we're done, we would have to hit print on the register. But as you can see, we're back to that pump and print ticket where it's showing the gallons delivered, but it's not pricing and taxing it. And that may be okay for some people. They may want to write on there. Others still want to use price and tax. Well, we can do that with our register. I recommend setting up 2 sets of product codes. So like those examples of using products 1, 2, and 3 for heating oil, kerosene, and gas, we'll now make those 11, 12, and 13. And we'll put pricing in the register for 11, 12, and 13. So as a driver, all I have to do, it's very simple, hit mode, go into the product code, hit start stop, change this to 11 because I want to get heating oil with price, and now I've locked that product in, and now I just hit start stop to start the delivery. It's going to reset the register, open the valves, we'll run this up. Okay, now when I come back to the register and I press print, it's still that same product. I've got a price and tax in there. Okay, in that case, we can make deliveries, still price the ticket, even though the Android tablet may not be working. Now, of course, that price, $2.59 a gallon, was set ahead of time in product 11. Hopefully that's still valid, but what happens if we set that months ago and now the price is $2.79 a gallon? Well, it's very simple to change that as well. We only have to do it once. So I just hit the mode button till it says money. Hit the start stop to get into the money menu. And now I hit start stop to get into price. Same thing, arrow over. I said it went up to $2.79 a gallon. Hit start stop to lock that in. We'll just exit. And now I've changed the price for product 11 for every delivery going forward. So if I hit start stop, just do another delivery just to prove that it works. And now you can see that the price per gallon is now $2.79. It's that easy.